I'm gonna go on the biggest thrill of my life.
Oh God, Emma.
Oh my God, it's so scary.
Grace.
On her butt.
Push her, Grace.
Dylan, could you make my video? Dylan, make me a video.
Grace, just go do something now. Go do something. Yes, go do something.
She's not a child. She's turning 13. Yeah.
What's your name?
Coco.
What is your real name before
You know her name. Look up her number.
I know.
Okay, I'm gonna.
And
No,
now.
Minutes. Come back. I want to be. Are you gonna put this on YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh,
And
tell me what
now-
it's called. I want to see.
Oh,
We'll put it on your Sunday clips thing too.
Dylan, can we film it because I don't.
Dylan, film me. Dylan, film me.
Okay, now Grace, hurry, go down the slide.
Happily jump.
This is what I'm go down the slide. And
God, what a
now I'm
terrible
gonna
film.
climb up.
Okay, hurry, Grace.
You can, Carmen.
I'm gonna go down that.
Gracie, try to run up the slide.
Hi, Dylan. Emma, I think that Dylan should film this one.
No, please, can I film it?
Fine, you don't talk during it.
And I'm gonna go on that.
Okay, I'm gonna end this now.